Is there anyone outside? 1. The Busy Bee Club met in John Tam's flat yesterday. The children watched television. John heard a noise.
What was that? I can't hear anything.
2.
There's someone outside the door. Look, there are 2 feet under the door. Yes, I heard someone too.
3. John ran to the door and opened it. There wasn't anyone outside the door.
There isn't anyone there.
4. Was there anyone there? No one knows. Page 6. Sally's structure. I heard something.
I didn't hear anything.
There's someone outside the door.
I can't see anyone.
There is something. There's something. There is someone. There's someone. I can hear something. I can hear someone. I can see something. I can see someone. Is there anything? Is there anyone? Can you hear anything? Can you hear anyone? Can you see anything? Can you see anyone? Page 8. Conversation. John and Annie are talking about the noise.
There was someone outside the door, John. I know, Annie. I heard something. And I saw someone's feet. Who was it? I don't know.